Strong waves crashed into Mumbai's Gateway of India monument on Monday as Cyclone Tauktae made landfall on India's west coast. The cyclone killed at least 12 people, according to authorities, and left a trail of destruction as it brushed past the coastal states of Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, and Maharashtra. Mumbai's urban rail system, one of the world's busiest, was also affected as tracks flooded. Trees were uprooted, while cars and buses were stranded in the city. The India Meteorological Department categorized the storm, which formed in the Arabian Sea, as an extremely severe storm, upgrading it from the very severe category.